All right, now upon paper mills, company receivership joint receivers have officially handed over the mill's assets to its new investor, Tarlochan Limited, a subsidiary of Rye Group of companies. The handover follows the signing of a sale and purchase agreement between the receivers of the paper mill and investor, Tarlochan Limited. Tarlochan Limited and the Rye Group chairman just once Rye committed to revive the paper and pulp manufacturing operations of the plant, and operations at the plant are likely to commence in under 4 months.
With the new investor coming on board, we are talking about opportunities for even other employees that used to be there before, that have been out of a job for some time, and other residents.
We are going to do our best, and we will make paper. I have not bought this plant, the speculation, I wanted timber license and I want this. Why would I pay 900 million shillings to get a timber license?
Anybody who is against the revival of pen paper, I can tell you, if you are a politician, you are writing your political obituary.